Hey everyone, welcome today. Did you know that starting your day with yoga can completely transform your life? From boosting metabolism to enhancing mental clarity, morning yoga is a game changer. Today we'll explore how practicing yoga every morning can help you lose weight, increase energy, and improve overall well-being. Let's get started. Asterisk, imagine waking up every morning feeling energized, focused, and stress-free. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, what if I told you that just 10 minutes of morning yoga can completely transform your life? From boosting mental clarity to improving your overall health, morning yoga is a game changer. Asterisk, most of us wake up feeling tired, immediately reaching for our phones, scrolling through social media, and rushing through the day. This not only drains our energy, but also affects our mood and productivity. But here's the good news. There's a simple yet powerful solution. Morning yoga. Asterisk, when you start your day with yoga, you're not just stretching your body, you're resetting your mind. Here's how it transforms your life. Boosts energy and focus. Gentle movements wake up your body, increase blood flow, and give you lasting energy. Reduces stress and anxiety. Yoga lowers cortisol levels, helping you feel calm and balanced. Improves flexibility and strength. Over time, your posture improves, aches disappear, and you feel stronger. Enhances productivity. A focused mind leads to better decision-making and higher efficiency. Asterisk. So, here's your challenge. Tomorrow morning, instead of checking your phone, start your day with just 10 minutes of yoga. You'll be amazed at how refreshed and focused you feel. Visuals. Person smiling after yoga, taking deep breaths, looking at the sunrise. And remember, small habits create big changes. Your transformation starts now. Like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing tips.